Euro Football Weekly is sponsored by bwin.
The Euro Football Weekly, a show where we take a look at the betting lines for the upcoming European football fixtures. And joining us today to lend us his expert betting advice is Alex from Sport Betting Agency. Alex, welcome to the show.
Hi, Natalie.
Now, playing for the Serie A is Roma versus Parma. Roma is currently in second place with 50 points, just 6 points below Juventus, whilst Parma are down in seventh place with 32 points. Roma with a home advantage are the favourites, priced at 1.4, whilst Parma can be had at 7. Now, with Roma's 0 loss record at home and with the strongest defence in Serie A, can they keep a clean sheet? That's priced at 2.2 with Bet365.
It's true that Roma has the best defense, as you said, but Parma scored at least one time in the last 7 matches in Serie A. I never bet on a clean sheet because, as we all know, a goal might come when you don't expect, from a corner or from a mistake or a penalty. So I wouldn't bet that Roma will keep the clean sheet here.
Right. What about Roma to win both halves, priced at 3.25? Can they get the job done? And would you make that bet over Roma keeping a clean sheet?
I'd rather go with this choice here, yes, because we know that Roma is scoring a lot and is scoring in both halves in the last matches that they played. I have another betting option in my mind. From the time that Totti came after the injury, we see that Roma not only is great in the defense, but they have quality from the middle and up, and they are scoring a lot of goals. I'm sure that they will win this match and keep close to Juventus, not to let them run away with more than 6 points in front. And I think Roma will win with Asian handicap of minus 1.5 at an odd of 2.1.
Oh, I like that bet, actually. I found another bet that I think I'm going to take for this match. Also odds of 2.1. That's the over 2.5 goals, 2.5 goals combined with a Roma win at 2.1 there. What do you make of that bet?
Here I wanted to arrive also. You are starting to guess my betting style.
Uh-huh.
And yes, I will do that. I will take that bet. Roma will win and over 2.5 goals in the match at an odd of 2.1. And to tell you the best part, this is also our main and official bet for this one. So I owe you one.
Well, I'm learning from the best there. Alex is from Sport Betting Agency. If you want more great free tips from Alex, go to Facebook, search Sport Betting Agency and click like. Alex, it's been a pleasure.
Thank you for the invitation, Natalie.